Welcome back to XRdogeTv. Want to thank everybody for tuning in. Just had to tap in and give you guys another video and a heads up. We got 2 more days left. December 10th, Whitebit will be holding an AMA session, which is an Ask Me Anything session for the co-developer of Xrdoge, Iggy. They'll be holding this on their Telegram, Whitebit's Telegram. So you want to go ahead and join their Telegram, 17,000 members. They'll be holding this December 10th, 2 p.m. UTC time. So any questions you have, any of these coins that you guys are invested in, you definitely want to be tapping in with these AMA sessions that they have with the divs. Any questions that you have, any concerns, or even before you even invest, you know what I mean? Listen to these AMA sessions and then decide if this is something that you want to invest into. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. I'll also be doing a video on December 10th, you know, just to update it to some of the questions that people were asking and some of his answers and stuff. But just want to tap in and give you guys a heads up on that. We can check out this chart. And still consolidating. That's the 1 hour chart. We'll go down to the 30-minute. Over to the 15. Yeah, so definitely whatever questions or concerns you guys might have, you know, sit back and think. You got 2 days to think of some questions that you might have. But it's definitely a good time. This is my second AMA for Xrdoge that I've tapped in and listened to. So you definitely want to stay up on these. Like I said, any investment that you're in, you definitely want to be tapping in with the AMA sessions. But you guys go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for tapping in. I hope everybody has a blessed day.